we're live.
Here we go.
We're live. Few people asked where the Deshir Chat show was last week.
Jackie.
So some people are watching.
Yeah,
It's nice to know.
nice. Yep. So it's good also for us because when we talk, so some people in Canada can see us.
Yeah.
So it can,
Yeah. And America and
Yeah.
other parts of the world.
can
Yeah.
be good.
Yeah. Give us your comments.
Oh, you
Say
want
hi
to see
to
them?
us.
You want to see that we're all alive and well?
You have to lean forward.
I am,
What?
yes,
No. Yeah.
Okay.
You can see yourself in the camera there.
alive and well. You
Yeah, I
can
can
see
see
we're
myself.
alive
There
and
you
well.
go.
I'm in a fighting mood, so we're alive and well.
Wow.
Fight. We have a beautiful anniversary,
Anniversary?
35 years.
And then
The day after, whoa!
there was nothing the day after.
Fight.
No, yesterday was the
I
day
know,
after. There
it's
was
just
nothing.
fun to say that.
Oh yeah, fun to say that. There was no fight.
But
I'll tell you what the fight is.
But you look smart, guys.
No, we're not supposed to
I
look
look smart.
Yeah.
I'm wearing shorts
I'm
because
not
I'm hot.
wearing my new jeans.
Yeah, whatever. Who cares? But you know what?
New jeans, new. What do they call it?
The
sweater?
No,
Sweater,
the
yeah.
sweaters. No,
Oh,
we're just both.
matchy.
Yeah. Well, that wasn't even planned because I
Come on,
just.
Cheryl.
You know,
Come
Matchy,
on.
matchy.
we're only matchy because I don't even know that I just got out of bed. No, here's where the fight is. The fight is every day after the meeting, he comes and stands in the kitchen door and says, "Is the coffee ready for or tea for this thing right now?" Like there's just people that can snap their fingers and it's made when nobody's in the kitchen. A, it takes time to get that water boiled to the perfect temperature of coffee. B, somebody's got to make the tea. C, somebody's got to do the bread. It doesn't just happen when no one's there. And I'm not waking up.
I shared with our staff that I am so lucky to have a Proverbs 31 wife in so many ways.
Oh, here we go.
She works hard. She
No,
does
no.
things.
Here
I don't-
comes the hammer. Listen
But
to this.
waking up in the morning early
That is.
before dark.
But then,
Not that one.
but then to be fair, you know what Samaga said? He said the man wakes up really, really early to walk around the whole boma. So like our farm, Daryl has to walk around early in the morning to make sure everything's safe. Out there in Masaini, they do it to check for hyenas or for lions. I know you can't quite fathom that in your world, but they have to walk around to make sure everything is safe. Or for elephants, where Maoli and Raphael and
It's a
Baraka come
different
from,
world.
they have to walk around their boma and check their thatched area where their huts are. Then they let out the women and children because then it's safe. So Daryl thinks he's some big Maasai warrior
I go
walking around our
every day,
land
making
Oh,
sure
yeah,
there's no
and
to
wild
make sure that
animals.
there's no little dick like deer or no
Yeah,
little
we have
rabbits
Dick,
or
rabbits
no
and
turtles.
tortoise.
And then he'll come and
Yeah.
wake me up and say I can come out of bed now. It's safe.
But you're supposed to be up making food before dark and cleaning and washing and all
No
those
Proverbs 31 here.
Absolutely.
things. What
Not
time do
even
your
once.
wives wake up?
Ah, very late. Maybe.
You have another one. You're,
Okay, well, Gemi, when the guests are here, I'm up at 5:30 or
you're
6.
up early too, right?
Yeah.
I think it's not,
Always me. I can wake up very early and then I turn out lights off.
Yeah.
All the light and then go around, see everything is okay, and then come back to say my wife, okay, wake up now.
how you can wake up.
Okay. so-
Everything is okay.
See, the men do check.
And for me too, it's not. I think not only Simon is struggle about that. Even me, my wife Grace. Oh, she's always wake up.
She wakes up early.
Late.
Late too.
Very late.
Yeah.
What's wrong with us?
Very late. I don't know.
But-
This is not normal in
Sometimes
Africa.
we're
I'm just
tired.
only one who wakes up early and do. other
Okay, enough
things.
wife bashing. This is enough. I wake
What?
up early every time there's guests here. I'm up real early. When there's no guests right now, this is a dream.
Yeah, I know it's.
Yeah,
fun.
yeah.
It's quite nice.
But we talk around our circle, and we ask the women what time they wake up. It's 5 o'clock or 5:30. Many of the women, right?
Yeah.
Especially when you have to.
Get
You know
the
what the
kids-
problem is?
Mm-hmm.
We start having conveniences in our home.
I was just going to say
Gas-
that. They got to walk to get
gas
water
cookers.
and
Yeah.
That is.
You know,
why.
fridges.
Yeah.
bread. Yep.
They don't. You know.
They got to walk
They
to
don't
get
have to
wood.
cook
They have
over
to
a
get
fire
a
and find wood and
pail of water
and water we have in the tap.
and get the kids ready for school.
What is this world coming to?
We quite like the tap. I like the flush toilet. Thank you very much. I like my fridge. I like my freezer. I like my food. I like my life.
Yeah, I don't think we'll give it up pretty easy.
Not
Once
easy.
you get it, you can't give it up. Is your wife going to give up a gas cooker and
Never.
fridge now?
No.
Can't live without it now, right?
No.
Now, yeah.
Yeah.
Even me, Grace can't live without gas.
Gas cooker,
gas,
yeah. Instant
Just
heat.
like-
You don't
Yeah.
have to get
Mhm.
charcoal or
Yeah.
anything.
At night when you're
collect
tired.
firewood and just
Actually, it really changes the life of the women.
absolutely.
Once a gas cooker.
Yeah.
It's more expensive, but it's got to be like 10 times faster.
Look
than
how
cooking
many-
over a fire.
Look how many weddings we've gone to. Even Joyce says they were dancing in with the gas tank and the gas cooker and all the dishes.
Yeah.
Almost every wedding I've been to in these last 10 years, everybody's getting gas
Yes,
cookers.
getting gas
Yeah.
cooker. It's
They
very
are.
quick. I mean, for them it helps because it's just so quick. They
Yeah.
cook for
Yeah.
10, 20 minutes. Everything is done.
Right.
So
Do you have a fridge?
no, I don't have fridge.
He doesn't
No-
have a,
no
Because the
electricity
power,
yet,
the power,
eh?
No electricity.
No, he's got-
yet, so
Oh,
he's got
it's
solar.
not enough. What I
okay.
use is solar.
for the TV.
For
So
the
that means
only
you have to buy things just for 2 days or 3 days at the most. When you buy fruits, vegetables,
Like meat.
Yeah.
meat, you can't keep
Meat,
more
no.
than 1 day.
meat, what I buy is just like carrots, tomatoes and other things, but just stay for 2-3 days only.
Yeah.
Then I have to go to the market again.
You're the market guy,
No,
not your wife.
not my
You're,
wife.
you're just saying that.
I'm just saying that. Sometimes I do. On the weekend, for example, tomorrow
Uh-huh.
it is my turn. I have to go to.
Or
the
you
market
have a turn
on
for the
weekend.
market
Yeah.
on the weekend.
On the
Okay.
weekend. But middle of the week,
Do you
for
go
example.
with Grace to the market together? Or is it-
sometime
Yeah.
we go together, but not every day.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes just me alone. And
Yeah. And
Sometime-
your kids are older now too. They can help out.
they can help. For example, my firstborn, sometimes she just goes to the market and help to buy some stuff.
Okay.
For me, it's Mama Kelvin. She do everything. Buy fruits,
Mama
buy-
Kelvin's your wife.
Yeah. Yeah, she do
She
Happy.
does everything.
everything. But me only pay water, pay the power,
Electricity bill.
Pay the
the bill.
power bills.
Bill,
Yeah.
power bill,
You're the bill guy.
Yeah.
Ooh.
But food, no.
Oh, okay. Happy does the food for
Yeah.
you guys,
Yeah.
eh?
Yeah.
Musa does the
Okay.
food for me.
Mm. Wow,
I do
good.
zero.
Zero.
Zero. I'd never shop. I never go to Arusha. I
Except
never.
to see lawyers or to see accountants.
Oh, I do the bills.
Or Bible study,
I do
that's
the
it.
bills.
The bill.
I do the bills, but
Yeah.
the cooking and the shopping.
Oh no, you make popcorn
Zero.
every night. Sarah goes,
Even this coffee. I don't know when the last time I made my own coffee.
oh, that's very scary.
Oh, I shouldn't say that.
No, you shouldn't.
Oh,
Holly.
oh, I'm in
He makes his
trouble.
own popcorn every night. Sarah sees
I
the
make
bowl.
popcorn.
Popcorn
Yes.
Every
Yes,
night.
Popcorn. Popcorn and toast.
So it's a good thing if I should ever die, you have women who can cook for you because you would just not make it. You'd get skinnier.
Wish you guys a good day.
Oh, that was
Good
our
to
whole
see
chat?
you again. Yeah.
That was it.
Yeah, we're gonna keep
Oh,
it to
is
around
it?
10 minutes.
I thought you were going to ask Aaliyah
Yeah.
some questions about
No, we
things.
got talking to other things, so we'll save it for another time.
Oh.
Okay.
Well, you guys all have a good week back to school.
Have a
Those of you who are
good
going.
Weekends.
Yeah.
Those
Yeah.
going back to school, I hope your kids are doing well and are safe, and the teachers are exploring new ways. Those that have to do for high school kids on computer, that you would get energized somehow during this time, and that it would soon end.
Yep, we're doing well. Hope you are too. Stay in touch.
Our summer is slowly coming. Yay!
Have a great day.
Yeah, bye.
Bye. We love you,
Wow.
Wow.
and especially my sister
That was-
Lorraine.
wow.
Guess what?
Wow.
Simon, Lorraine, this is her first time not going to school in 41 years.
Wow.
Yeah,
Oh.
it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Wow,
She's
wow.
at home, a retired woman, and in quarantine. See if her and her husband still love each other after 2 weeks.